biggest man I've ever seen. I wouldn't want to fight him.
That's why no one will remember your name.
Can't be killed.
I wouldn't be bothering with the shield then, would I?
If the Salonian you're fighting.
We fought many battles, Spartan Troy, and fought well. I've always respected your father. Priam is a good king, a good...
We fought many battles, Spartan Troy, and fought well. I've always respected your father. Priam is a good king. Good. What about the love for your country? You'd let Troy burn for this woman? Hector is one man. Look what he did to us today. Hector fights for his country. Achilles fights only for himself. I don't care about the man's allegiance. I care about his ability to win battles. He's right. The men's morale is weak.